Welcome to Shorthand Hangover, Allahabad High Court APS Series C Exercise 3 at the speed of 110 words per minute. Be ready? Start. CRA number 228 of 2020 is an appeal against conviction and sentence. The appellant was held guilty and convicted for offence punishable under Section 376, subsection 3 of the Indian Penal Code, hereinafter referred to as IPC, and Section 6 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, for short POCSO Act. He was sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and to pay fine of rupees 10,000, and in default to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 1 year for the offence punishable under section 376 subsection 3 of IPC. It was directed that the victim is entitled to get the said fine amount of rupees 10,000 if realized in view of the second proviso to section 357 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, for short CRPC. The department has noted that this appeal is defective as the victim has not been made party in this application appeal stop para. We heard the learned advocates for the appellants in the two appeals, Advocate Saurav Chatterjee, who assisted this court as amicus curiae, Advocate Shivshankar Banerjee, assisting from the West Bengal State Legal Services Authority, and the learned additional public prosecutor, Mr. Rana Mukherjee. We also had the privilege to hear learned senior advocate Shekhar Basu by way of advisory and assisting intervention stop para. We keep aside the provision made in the impugned judgment in CRA 228 of 2020 for payment of compensation under section 357A of CRPC, since payment of compensation under the victim compensation scheme cannot be subjected to an appeal by the accused, be that person a convict or not. Advocate Saurav Chatterjee referred to the provisions of section 23, 24 5 and 33 7 of the POCSO Act to point out that there is an overwhelming legislative thrust to ensure protection of the victims. He also referred to the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court of India in Nipun Saxena and another versus Union of India and others, reported as 2019 2 SCC 703 stop para. Learned Senior Advocate Mr. Shekhar Basu drew our attention to Article 39 F amongst the directive principle of state policy apart from Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Section 372 of CRPC provides that no appeal shall lie from any judgment or order of a criminal court except as provided for by the code or by any other law for the time being in force. The proviso introduced to that section with effect from 31/12/2009, conferring right of appeal on the victim as regards such matters as are stated in that proviso, is of no consequence in so far as these appeals are concerned. Section 374 of CRPC provides for the appeals from convictions. Section 385 CRPC prescribes the steps to be taken for the purpose of hearing of the appeals which are not dismissed summarily. Stop para. Trial, conviction, and sentence are matters primarily between the accused person and the state. The statutory provisions for institution of the appeal and the hearing thereof do not in their terms enjoin impleadment of the victim in these appeals. The victim is not a necessary party to a criminal appeal from conviction for offences against women or child punishable under provisions of the IPC or POCSO Act or any other penal provision which will apply in relation to offences affecting human body against any woman and slash or child, both those expressions being understood in the context of the respective legislation which deals with such offences. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with other, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.